Good morning, everyone. This is Ayushi. Let's continue our English class for class 7th. So, students, as we have completed a chapter pronouns, now today we are going to start a new reader chapter back from the brink. So, without wasting any time, let's get started.
Yes, students. Before starting today's class, first of all, we are going to tell you the answers of yesterday's homework or the previous homework that I gave you. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns. So, the first one, dash are you angry with? So, whom are you angry with? By this with word, we came to know that we have to put here the word that goes with the persons. So, in that case, we have to use here whom. Fine. Dash are you thinking about? Simple. What are you thinking about? Of these two sizes, which fits you better? So whenever you have to give the option, for that case, we have to choose our which option. Okay. Don't blame me, you did it yourself. Okay. So here, according to you, we have to put our answer. So your reflexive pronoun will be yourself. Dash of them is interested in going for the picnic. So neither of them. Suppose two persons are there. So someone is saying neither of them is interested. I still writing the essay. I finished mine long ago. Now here see, here we were talking about in the fourth sentence you, but now in sixth sentence I. According to I, we have to put here the possessive case, that is mine. Fine. The book, non-living thing, that's why we have to use here that. The book that you had ordered has arrived. The last one, the woman whose purse was stolen is arguing with the police officer. Now see, if suppose noun is not given, then we could put who. But here noun is given. By this we came to know that we had to put here whose. So the woman whose purse was stolen is arguing with the police officer. Okay. Now today we are going to start the new reader chapter, that is, first of all, it belongs from unit 2 section, that is flora and fauna. Okay. And section 5, the name of the chapter is back from the brink. Brink, student, what does it mean brink? Brink is corners, edges. Okay. Back from the brink, it means in this chapter actually we are talking about a bird, that is greater adjutant stork. Okay. So this stork is about to, its life is about to an end. Okay. So what happened? One lady, Purnima Devi Burman, she just took the revenge to save to save this bird life. So that's why she just called it back from the border. Means it just saved life. She saved its life from the corner. Okay. So, and the author is, that is Diane Toomey. So if we talk about the author, that is the award, he is an award winning public radio journalist. Okay. The next one, he worked as the science editor also. And the last quality, he awarded many awards such as the American Institute of Biological Sciences Media Award. By the chapter itself, you I think understood that this chapter is non-fiction. Non-fiction means that is not imaginary chapter. Okay, the real story it is. Fine. Now we are going to read. Now see here. The first one, Purnima Devi Burman is a conservationist. Conservationist means who just conserve the resources, who saves the environment. Okay. Biologist and activist. From Assam means from where she belongs. She belongs from Assam. Fine. Read this piece to find out how she single-handedly led a movement to save the globally endangered greater adjutant stork from extinction. So adjutant means, what does it mean? This one, it means that like assistant who helps a higher ranking officers. Means generally what happened ki why we call it adjutant. Greater means you understood, means a huge word. Okay. Adjutant means like the assistant. Why we are going to say it assistant who help the higher ranking officers? Why? When you will see the picture, then you can easily understand. Stork is name of the bird. Okay. From extinction. Extinction means it is about to finish. Its species is about to finish. Okay. That's why. Now see how villagers to love an ugly bird, ugly bird. Now see, ugly bird. Now these are the questions are going to be asked. Like you can understand ki what are we going to read in this chapter? How villagers learn to love an ugly girl to save it from extinction. Means in this chapter actually why this bird is about to an end. Why? Because this bird had a lot of drawbacks. Means it was ugly and its shape wise, walking wise, every manner it was not good. Because of this people were not thinking about it. Okay, so we will learn in this how villagers learned to love. But suddenly what happened, because of this lady Purnima Devi Burman, she tried to encourage people that we have to save this bird. Okay, so you know a bird has a PR problem. PR means, this is the abbreviation, means short form for public relation. Means generally why do we like anything? Suppose you like parrot, you like sparrows, you like different kinds of birds, you like animals. Why? Because you see anything good in that. Okay, so in this, that is saying that they are the PR problem, means public relation problem. Then a 19th century ornithologist means that is who studies for the about the birds. Okay, so refers to it as a prodigy of ugliness. Means people think this bird only understands by it is the complete sense of ugliness. Means only one name you can give this bird, that is ugliness. Ugliness means that is not beautiful. This is the greater adjutant stork, an imposing bird. Imposing means a very grand, even impressive in appearance. Means once if you will see that bird, it's a very huge one. Okay, which stands at stunning 5 feet. Stunning means very impressive. Like you can see the size, student, 5 feet. Like our height even 5 feet. 5 feet and somewhat. So you can see the how much the size it is, and has an 8-foot wingspan. Wingspan means suppose when this bird is going to spread its wing, then from tip to tip, from top to bottom, then the height will be 8 foot. So you can see that how much huge this bird is. Okay, so now let's see further what happened. Now here you can see here easily that this is the bird. This is ugly stork. You can see the how it looks. Okay, not too looking wise too good. Because of this only people were not aware of this. They does not want to save it. So what happened? The description wise means how it looks. While less than kind, it is difficult. While less than kind is difficult to refute. Refute means like someone, suppose someone is saying to you that this bird is not too bad, it's good even. So after watching the picture, you can easily understand that whatever the theory was there about this bird, it was completely wrong. Means it's too ugly at all. The greater adjutant's head is naked except for a few scraggly feathers. Now you can see here, that is whatever I am saying, just try to imagine over here. That is a few scraggly feathers. Means very scraggly means a very rough and unpolished feathers. These are the feathers over here. Okay, so these are the feathers, very scraggly feathers, making it look like a balding old man. Balding old man means an old man who does not have hair. So means you can imagine a person who does not have hair, how it will look like this. These birds, it had like this kind of birds. This bird has only feathers like this. Okay, so a long orange pouch dangles loosely from its neck. Now you can see here this one orange pouch. So a very loose one, काफी loose है and not very dangles, means it is hanging like this only. It also does not look too good. Okay, there is no melody, it's called. Melody means when this bird speaks, then the sound is even not too good. Not melody at all, not sweet at all. Its vocalization has been described as a grunting croak. Grunting croak means like very harsh sound, even very strong sound like frog. Now you can imagine how does frog speak. So that kind of sound only it has. There is not much grace in its movement either. Means when it walks, then also suppose birds walk, they even hop. On that time what happen? We sometimes they hop in a very cute manner, isn't it? But it walks very not even the graceful manner. So means not even a single quality it has. Why the people will like, isn't it? So, indeed, this stock gets its name adjutant. In spite of this stock got the name adjutant. Why adjutant? By the looking wise, you can see here now how it looks. It is standing very straight. Okay, so it's like the assistant. Suppose a very military officer is moving forward, and at the back who are the helpers or the assistant we can say. So it always stands like this only. That's why its name we found adjutant. Okay, which refer to a military officer from its stiff means very strong, awkward gait means that is a manner of walking, how it moves. Accordingly it has given, we have given the name this bird adjutant. Known locally as hargila, locally means in Assam actually, people in Bengali word it is people supposed to call it hargila. The Bengali word for bone swallower like means suppose this bird has swallowed means ये अपनी ही bone को निगल चुका है, like that only, bone swallower. They were considered unclean but valued as scavengers. Scavengers means this bird, why means like you can see till now everyone is going to dislike this bird, but still everyone has some quality. So what is the quality of this bird? It is like it is valued because it is scavengers means who search food or useful thing from rubbish. Suppose you have collected somewhere rubbish means garbage. Okay, you have collected somewhere rubbish and this bird is going to search food from it. Even for this bird, even very small insects are there, small animals are there, it is going to have them, it is going to eat them. So what will happen? Now we will see further. So they were sometimes hunted for the use of their meat in folk medicines. So people, what happened when people thought that it does not have any quality, so they started to hunt them, they started to kill them. Why? For the use of their meat in folk medicine. In the medicine, for making the medicine, they, and for their meat only, for their body flesh only, they started to hunt these birds. Okay, many hundreds of thousands of greater adjutants once congregated in enormous, congregated means collected, in enormous means in a very huge number flocks from Pakistan to Cambodia. Means काफ़ी साल पहले we can say that greater adjutant when they started to collect on the time when they from Pakistan to Cambodia, on the time they had a huge number, means they were in a very so many birds were there of this kind of species. Okay, in Kolkata one amount put a few individuals on almost every house. Somewhere means in 19th century, it is known that in Kolkata, in everyone's house, this at least one bird was there. Over the years, the widespread destruction of its wetland habitat and the loss of nesting trees has led to a drastic fall in the number of greater adjutant stock in India. But what happened? But within few years, what happened? Now population has increased, so people started to cut down the trees. So in the beginning, they started to cut the trees wherever these kind of birds supposed to live. Okay, so because of now see, suppose you are going to you don't have any house, then what will happen? How many days you will survive? Very less days. Okay, same as these birds, when they don't have their nest, so on the time they were not able to survive more. Okay, so people started to cut, they started to cut their trees, cut the trees because they wanted to create something over there like buildings, their houses or so on. And because of this, the number of these birds decreased in India so much so that it went from being one of the most common stocks to the rarest. Because of this only, these kind of species, Now their number has decreased. By the 1990s, one estimate put the number of greater adjutant at a mere 1,000. Now you can imagine 1990s only 1,000 stocks were left, bringing it dangerously close to extinction. Means now they were about to destroy, they were about to end. Okay. Now every ugly bird needs an ally. Ally means like every ugly bird, चाहे वो bird ugly है, whether it is beautiful, whether it has a harsh sound, soft sound, needs an ally. Ally means a love relation. Every bird needs relation. Every bird needs love. Okay. We should not judge the people, even the birds or animals, by its appearance. Okay, we should see the qualities of them. Ugly bird, don't use that phrase with researcher Purnima Devi Burman. Means you cannot say this word ugly in front of her. It can never be ugly. These are the views written by Purnima Devi Burman, that it can never be ugly. Who can never be ugly? The ugly stork. Stork can never be ugly. It is the most beautiful bird in the world, she says. Burman often saw adjutants as a child in her village in Assam, because when she was in her childhood, she belongs from Assam only. On that time, she saw so many birds in her village. But in 2007, while doing her thesis means when she was doing any kind of research, okay, in the university on greater adjutant on this bird only, on the time she hardly found any nest left in the village of Kamrup district in the Brahmaputra valley. But she was unable to find out even a single nest. Now you can imagine, before 2007 or before in 1990s, on that time a lot of birds were there, but now she was in her village, not even a single nest is there. Then do you think then bird will supposed to live there? जब उनका वहाँ घर ही नहीं है तो वो रहेंगे वहाँ पे? Definitely not. So people considered the birds to be pests, partly because of their leftovers. The bird gulped down anything dead or alive, including fish, amphibian and reptiles. Now see what happened. According to people, these birds to be pests means what do these birds do? Whatever the leftovers were there, leftovers means जो भी इनका बचा हुआ खाना होता है वो उनको खाते. Even gulp down everything. Gulp down means निगलना. They gulp down anything dead or alive, चाहे वो dead हो, any insect whether it is dead or alive हो, including fish, amphibian and reptiles. They're supposed to have everything. Still people have the problem. Why? This, even suppose कि if we will say one side of this point, then these birds are cleaning your environment, isn't it? Suppose any insect is living die and somewhere, what will happen? It will only pollute the environment. But these birds, when they are going to have this, definitely they are cleaning the environment. So people are not thinking about this. Now we will learn more about this chapter tomorrow's class, that how Purnima Devi Burman is going to sort out this problem about these birds. Okay. Now student, this is your classwork. In this you have to write down the pronunciation drill: endangered, adjutant, ornithologist, guardian, mythological and conservationist. Okay. And this is your homework. Even homework also I have given to you. All the word meaning you have to do it. Okay. Although these word meanings are given in the book itself, still I have given you. Okay. So all the word meanings you have to do it. Fine. Thank you.